Hi guys. I'm having a I'm making a video here about my Defender td5, which has been starting very difficult for quite some time now. So I checked various things. I checked the battery. I put it on a battery charger, but still no joy. And then I thought, what about the fuel pump? Maybe that was dirty inside. I checked the fuel filter also, but I got some sludge out of it, but it was not really starting. I put in a new fuel filter, but that doesn't cure the problem as well. So I went ahead and took out the fuel pump, as you can see here. I'll show you, and it really surprised me what I when I opened up the fuel pump, what I actually saw. Okay, so this is the fuel pump here. I've taken it apart, and as you can see here, this is not really looking very good. The intake part is totally clogged up. At first, I took out this part here, which is sitting right at the bottom of the fuel pump. From the outside, it looked a bit dirty, and I was okay. That's not too bad. That's the same thing there. It was not really looking that worse. But then I saw from the outside of this pump holder, as they say, there was still some a bit dirty inside, so I decided to take the pump apart, and this part here, this is totally surprised. I mean, this is like thick sludge that has built up on the intake part of the fuel pump. And I hope so, that this is the problem that might have caused the car to start very difficult. You can see that it's been going on for quite some time. I mean, even in that plastic holder where the fuel pump goes in, it's very dirty, and you have quite some sludge there as well. So I'm just gonna clean this all out and then put it back together, and hopefully the car will start better. But even though this is not normal, this is I'm not gonna say this is way too much. This is totally normal, not normal at all. So I'm gonna clean this all up and see if the car starts better. This is a Beermach pump, so it's aftermarket. It's not the Siemens original Siemens pump. Initially, I also had a problem with this pump here. I think this is the wire that brings. Oh yes, here it is. Okay, yeah. This from the very beginning came loose. It kind of just burned a hole through. Can see that there. It burned a hole through where you actually plug in the switch. So you can see that I'm not sure if there was a faulty unit, or is it just the quality of the aftermarket part. But this is also not good, and I'm suspecting that this might be one of the reasons that maybe water is going into the tank, fuel in the diesel tank, and then causing this sludge. um yeah, this is not really good at all. Okay, I'm gonna clean this all up, and hopefully the car will start better. But this video is for you guys with Defender td5s who have fuel pumps And this is one of the things that, apart from changing your fuel filter, it's maybe a possibility or maybe an option to clean your fuel pump from time to time. It could be that the quality of the diesel where I live is not really that well, or maybe at the service station they got some gas station they got some water in the tanks, but it's just an option to check your fuel pump from time to time. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up